Forex trading. Yeah, that's what this is about. No fluff, no sugar, no sunshine fairy tale about quitting a job to trade from a beach while sipping overpriced smoothies. This is for beginners, real ones, the kind who still ask, wait, what's Forex again? And guess what? Finding this audio means one thing. Luck just slapped some sense into the ears. This channel, Traxing, has only 11 subscribers, and somehow the algorithm tripped and sent one of them to the right place. Congrats. Sincerely. Most people never get this far before getting scammed, quitting, or worse, buying a course from a 17-year-old millionaire who cannot even explain what a pip is. So let's stop pretending and get into it. What is Forex trading? In human language, it's just trading one currency for another, trying to make money off the price going up or down. Like exchanging money at the airport. Here's 100 US dollars, give me some euros. Except way more intense, way faster, and way more likely to kick someone in the financial teeth if they are clueless. Example. Imagine buying euros with dollars when the euro is cheap. Then the euro gets more expensive. Now those euros are worth more dollars. That difference? That's profit. That's Forex. That's the game. Simple, right? In theory. But here's where things go full circus. Let's say a beginner jumps in, sees a red and green chart moving around, and decides to hit buy because, drumroll, it feels right. What's the logic? None. Just vibes. Maybe because it was green last time, or because some random TikTok dude said this pair is heating up. Next thing? Price crashes. Account? Gone. Feelings hurt. Understanding of what just happened? Zero. And that's how 90% of beginners get cooked. Take another case. Someone opens a trading app and sees something called leverage. Oh wow, sounds powerful. $100 can suddenly control 10,000. Magic. Except it's not. It's a trap with glitter on it. That power works both ways. That same trade that looked like it might make $20, now it's losing 100. Why? Because leverage multiplies the movement of the market, and most beginners use it the same way kids use scissors. Dangerously. Here's a real-world version. Imagine having $100 and being allowed to bet as if it's 10,000. Cool until the market moves just a little bit against the trade. Like really small. One wrong turn and poof, money's gone. That is leverage when handled by someone with zero training. It's not help, it's a weapon pointed at the face. Forex is not guessing. It's not flipping coins. It's about reading behavior. Like learning how people usually act in a crowd, except now it's countries, banks, economies, traders, investors. Every candle, every chart, just emotion and decision played out through numbers. And unless a person understands even basic behavior, they're not trading. They're donating. Still confused? Let's break it down even more. Imagine a pair like EUR/USD. That means euro versus United States dollar. If someone believes the euro will get stronger compared to the dollar, they buy. If they think it'll get weaker, they sell. That's it. But the trick is knowing when and why to do either. Just because something went up yesterday doesn't mean it will today. That's what beginners miss. They chase what already happened, like running after a bus that already left 3 stops ago. And don't even start on emotions. The biggest killer in trading? Feelings, not lack of strategy, not the market itself. Feelings. Let's say someone enters a trade. It goes up a little, they're happy, it drops a bit, now they're sweating, they stare, they hope, they panic. They close the trade in fear, then bam, price reverses and goes exactly where they expected. Now they're angry, so they open another trade to win it back. It goes wrong again. Boom, blown account, game over. All that, common, because most beginners treat trading like playing slot machines with buttons. It's not. It's reading news, watching global events, understanding simple patterns, having patience, the boring stuff. But no, everyone wants the flashy stuff. Which indicator is best? What's the magic setup? How do I make $500 today? Slow down. Here's a shocking truth. Even professionals lose. The difference? They lose small, win big, and stay in the game. Beginners lose big, win small, if at all, and rage quit after 3 trades. And speaking of professionals, those gurus with rented Ferraris and rented confidence, forget them. Real traders do not flex. They study, they lose, they adapt. They don't post screenshots of $40 profits with Drake playing in the background. They quietly track trades, keep journals, and build consistency over months and years. Beginners think they're going to flip a $50 account into $5,000 because they saw someone do it on YouTube. Here's a more realistic version. They're going to lose that $50 trying. And that's fine if they treat it like a lesson, not a failure. Small accounts are not meant to make anyone rich. They're meant to teach survival. So what should a beginner do? Start with demo trading. Yes, fake money. Boring, right? But that's how mistakes don't cost real cash. Watch how the market moves. Try stuff. Lose fake money. Get confused. Fix it. For weeks, months if needed. That's how real understanding forms. Second, stop trading everything. Pick one pair. Stick to it. Understand how it moves during different times of day. Treat it like learning to drive one car before trying to fly a plane. Master one thing before touching anything else. Third, risk small. Think in percentages. Not I want to make $100, but I'm risking 1% of my account per trade. That's how professionals think. Protect the account first. Profit comes later. And one more thing. News matters. Yes, it's boring. Yes, it's full of big words. But knowing when a country announces interest rates or inflation changes, crucial, because that's when the market moves big. Trade during those times without knowing what's going on? Might as well toss a coin and pray. Traxing exists for one reason, to keep beginners from crashing. Not with sweet words, with truth that punches. This is not a hype channel. This is a wake-up call. 11 subscribers? Good. The real ones. No bots, no sheep. Just people who want to get real about trading, even if it stings a little. If anything here felt personal, it probably was, because it is not a mistake. It is a pattern, one that most beginners repeat. But here's the upside. Patterns can change. Minds can grow. And when that happens, that's when trading becomes powerful. So yeah, this message was rough, on purpose. Because Forex does not care about feelings. It cares about logic, risk, timing, and discipline. Anyone can get in. Few make it through, but those who do, they do it by getting slapped early, learning fast, and respecting the process. That's the whole point of this channel. Traxing is not here to baby traders. It is here to toughen them. This is not content. This is conditioning. Come back if it hits the right nerve, or scroll to the next guy flexing his demo profits on a jet ski. One teaches, one entertains. Only one will still be around next year.